It's Nickey of the Mossel Bay Advertiser with Julian Phillips, a mosaic artist, all the way from the wilderness, repairing some of the work on the Mossel Bay cenotaph. Julian, tell us what you're doing and how long is it going to take?
I met Karina Wiggle and we came and had a look at this, the War Memorial, and there was quite a lot of damage. Seems to be like there's rain that's actually coming down and causing a bit of cracking, and then some of the tiles have come loose, and if you look carefully you'll see there's certain areas that have been damaged and we'll need to repair them. So, but a little bit of my history is that I've been a mosaic artist for about 13 years, and then, well, in this area, and then before that for about 5 years in Cape Town. So they came across me through work that I'd done previously, and so we're busy with this project, which is quite a nice project. It's it's part of our heritage, and now that we've just had the Heritage Day, I think we need to also remember like the people that have served us in the country, and then so we.
Julian, tell me, obviously you're going to have to replace some of the stuff. Where do you source your material?
Well, it's been quite difficult to actually find these tiles. There seemed to be a handmade at the time when this was originally done, which was quite far back. I'm not sure exactly what the date was when it was first done, but so I can't find the exact original tiles, and they are actually a little bit bigger than what you will find. They're glass tiles, but I think the important part is to actually just try and match the colors, and luckily in the mosaic itself the original artist used different colors, and so it's easier to blend because if I find the right colors, then I can blend the backgrounds and everything and try and restore it to its original glory. Yeah.
Julian, would you mind if Mossel Bay residents come around and have a look at what you're doing?
No, absolutely. It's a pleasure to be able to chat to anyone that's welcome to come and speak to me and see what's going on here, and get involved, or just come and see what's happening. It will be great.
Julian, thank you for speaking with the Advertiser.